Moving on to the questions for God lives in the punch. So I'll read out the questions and then the answer, and then I'll give you a detailed version of it. Question 1. When Juman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, what arrangement did she suggest? So let's first read the answer. The aunt spoke to Juman about the unbearable behavior meted out to her by his wife. Juman could offer no remedy and remained silent. Aggrieved further by her nephew's indifference, she asked for a small monthly dole so that she could cook her own meals. So here we see that you do not have to exactly give the entire description as to what happened, why did she come to live with Juman and everything else. You just have to get to the point and tell the teacher that what arrangement did she suggest. So the arrangement that she suggested was that Juman give her a small monthly dole so that she could meet out her own demands, and she was no more a burden on Juman and his wife, right? Next, why was Juman happy about Algu's nomination as Panch? What happened later? So here there are two parts of the question, right? I have given brief pointers for you to consider, and I will be telling the answer to you. So first you have to answer, why was Juman happy about Algu's nomination? So here you will write that Juman and Algu were very close friends from a very long time, and he trusted his friend, his comrade dearly, and that's why he thought that he would never rule out against him. He would, even though he was wrong, he would still rule out in his favor, or so did Juman think. But Algu, when he was made the Panch, he was a very fair person, and he thought of his morals and could not rule out in favor of injustice, right? So firstly you will write how close they were, that he thought that he would never rule out against him, that he loved him so dearly. You would basically show their love and affection and their bond in the first paragraph, and next when we move on to the second part, what happened later, you will say that the entire village had gathered. Algu had been nominated as the Panch by Juman, and this time what happened, Algu listened to both the sides and decided that Juman was the one who was doing the injustice, right? But you won't just write what happened in the case, you will also write that what happened to Juman and Algu after the case. So you will have to mention that after the case happened, Juman felt as if he had to take revenge from Algu and thought that Algu had betrayed him. While Algu was very sad that he had to rule out against Juman, he loved him dearly, but being the Panch, he could not give some unjust verdict, right? So moving on to the next question. What does God lives in the heart of Panch mean? So let's first read out the pointers. Everyone puts their trust in the Panch. Panch has to give a fair, unbiased opinion. Truth presides over all else for Panch, moral duty above all others. So we see in both the cases, first when Algu was nominated as the Panch, next when Juman was nominated as the Panch. In the first case, Algu sought justice over friendship, right? So it was his conscience, his morals which led him to justice. In the second case, Juman sought justice over revenge. So in both these cases, both of them were made the Panch. Whatever they decided, the entire village, the victim, the suspect, everybody would just totally believe and agree to whatever the Panch said. So in this case, God lives in the heart of Panch, because whatever Panch says, whatever Panch feels, whatever Panch thinks, it is what everybody else agrees to, because they put their entire trust and the entire belief in the Panch that he would give out a correct verdict, right? And that's why Panch has a morality so high. You know, when somebody is a Panch, they have a morality so high that they cannot allow themselves to give an unjust verdict. Next, why was Algu upset about Juman's nomination as the head Panch? Let's read the pointers. He had been Panch in his case and had ruled against him. He didn't want Juman to take revenge, was afraid to lose the case. So the second time when Algu has a case, Juman is nominated as the Panch. So in this case what happens is Algu is very afraid that Juman would rule out against him, although he is right, just to take his revenge and avenge what he did to him. right? But so that's why he is very upset about it, and he thinks that he will surely lose. But what really happens is that being the Panch, as we discussed in the third question, being the Panch, Juman's morality arises and his conscience speaks to him, and then we see that Juman does not take his revenge. So these were the questions for God lives in the Panch.